with only one dominant female in every herd. They are also known to lay in a circle to be aware of their surroundings. Also on the right, the animals that look like donkeys, those are water bucks. Water bucks are not aquatic animals. They go into the water to hide from predators. They have a perfectly heart-shaped nose and a white stripe behind them. Also on the right, the animals with the long hair and short horns, those are wildebeests. Wildebeests travel in herds of 1,000, which is called the Great Migration. On the right, at the top of the hill, we have our redneck ostrich. Redneck ostrich can grow to about 9 feet tall and weigh 330 pounds. Because they're so big, they cannot fly, but they can run at speeds of 45 miles per hour. And next to the ostrich, that is a greater kudu. Greater kudus can stand up for about 20 hours straight, and if they feel threatened by any animals, they will bark at them.
I see him. Wow. That's something new, them
I just told you that.
Oh no.
Zebra. On our left, we have our grand zebra. Grand zebra are the smallest zebra in the world. They are also the most photographed because their stripes go all the way around their bodies. There's some on the right too.
A mustache.
And coming up on the right, you'll see our Watusi cattle. Watusi cattle is also known as African Longhorn. Their horses grow from 4.5 to 5 feet long. And the yellow train is coming. We're obviously cooler than them, so when y'all see the first cart of people, if they drive any faster, y'all just scream and be louder than them because we're cooler, okay? Y'all got that in the front?
Yeah.
All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Woo! We have to be louder than them. Get louder, get louder.
Look at his horn.
Woo! Yeah. We're better. Green train is better than yellow train.
Chris was like, what?
Yes, it is true. It is true. Green train is better. Green train.
Green is my favorite color. Green.
And we are in the Congo station. This is the closest stop to Kumba, Congaree Rapids, Chick-fil-A, and Jungala.
I really want to get on that
We're cooler.
swing.
Y'all pass the
get on
vibe
that
check.
swing.
Definitely.
Where?
That's new. It's this one, but we're going to go to the kids' side first.
We finna stay on the train.
No, yeah, to go on the kids' side first.